All right, here we are with 2015 Tier 1 PYT number 6. Whoever finishes in the top 2 spots will get a chance at a free case of Tech. 2, we do not do. 6 ball, 4 and 2, 6. Not bad, total, not bad. We're actually headed back out tonight, though. 1, got a flight to catch here shortly. 2, but it's been good. It's been good. 4, 5. And 6. Scott and Dennis 6 times Dennis did sneak in there. All right, here are your squads. I'm going to for the last one, yeah. A, Sherry, Astros, Dennis, Marlins and Rangers, Doug, Diamondbacks, Scott, Tigers, Brian, Indians, Monty, Pirates, Braves, Andrew, Giants, Doug, Cubs and Mariners, Andrew, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Doug, and Scott Marshall, Angels, Blue Jays, Cardinals, Nationals, Orioles, Padres, Phillies, Rays, Red Sox, Reds, Rockies, Royals, White Sox, and the Yankees. Good luck to you, sir. I mean, good luck, everybody. 9 left in Tier 1 number 8. Right after that is the giveaway. Right after that is the giveaway. How do you spell Fung wrong, Homar? To 349, Ruby De La Rosa. Number to 50, Troy Tulowitzki. Number to 50, Reggie Jackson. Number to 399, Jose Fernandez. Jock Peterson to 349. And very nice for the Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw. Nice hit, Doug. Albert Pujols to 249. Kenny's Vargas, number to 399. Omar Vizquel to 299. To 199, Cespedes. To 399, Verlander. Julio Teheran for the Braves, 5 of 5. Mike Matheny, number to 299. Pablo Sandoval to 399. Number to 349, Dilson Herrera. Number to 399, Carlos Delgado. Adrian Gonzalez, number to 50. Number to 399, Alcantara. Number to 399, Brandon Crawford. And for the Nationals, number to 50, Steven Strasburg. That was the break, guys. Thank you all. I do appreciate it.